Hello students, welcome to the virtual learning session of Rawal Convent School. Today for class 8th we are here with another amazing topic, that is industry and the factors that affects the location of an industry. This is part 1. Let's begin. In this module you will study what is industry, industrial system, factors affecting the location of an industry. Do you know everything that we use in our day-to-day lives are not always present in its natural form? Well, you will be surprised to know that most of the things that we used are processed. Take any day in your life. What do you do after you get up? Well, you go to brush your teeth. And there you use toothpaste. Do you think that toothpaste is available in this form in nature? No. It is being made up of neem and cloves. So you can say that it has got processed. Then only you get the finished product. Not only toothpaste, the car we used, clothes we used are made up of raw material. And after being processed, you get the finished products. And where these things get processed? They get processed in a factory. And what is factory? Factory converts raw material into finished products. In a factory there are lots of machines as shown in the picture and lots of human labors. With the help of human labor and machinery, raw material is converted into finished products. When there are many factories, they make an industry. Clear? What is industry? Industry is a group of manufacturers or businesses that produce a particular kind of goods or services. You can also say an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods. For example, steel industry, extraction of minerals. For example, coal mining, provision of services like tourism industry, hotel industries. So, what is industrial system? An industrial system consists of input, processes and output. As I earlier told you, input raw material, labor, cost of land, transport, power and other infrastructure. And processes, what is processes? The processes include a set of activities which involve the conversion of raw material into finished products. And the output, the end product and the income earned from it. For example, sugar is made up of sugar cane. After sugar cane is processed, then you get the sugar. Clear? If you wish to set up a manufacturing industry, how will you choose its location? What are the factors that you must keep in mind while choosing the location of an industry? So there are many locational factors of industries, and some of them are: we need raw material, labor, capital, power, water, proper communication, transport, land and power. We think these are the locational factors for industry, for properly running of industry. So industries can run smoothly. First factor is availability of land. For the establishment of industry, vast plain areas are required. It is difficult to establish industries on high mountains or rough land, as you see in the picture. We need a land to set up industry. Now, other factor is availability of raw material. Nearness to the sources of raw material would reduce the cost of production of the industry. Clear? Now, next factor is availability of power. Power is essential for industry to run smoothly. Coal, electricity, petrol are major sources of power. Industries are set up in areas where these sources are easily available. Now, availability of water. Industries need large amount of water for various purposes. In particular, textile industry, iron and steel industry cannot be established in areas with a shortage of water because they need abundant supply of water. Next factor is labor. Labor, both skilled and unskilled, is required in industry. For specialized scale industry are set up in those areas where skilled force labor is available. Next factor is capital. The most essential requirement for setting up an industry are land, machinery, steady supply of power and raw material, and above all, construction of suitable factory premises. This need huge investment of capital. Next is transport. A developed system of transport affect the location of industry. Industry get concentrated in areas where these facility exist because transport is need to carry raw material to the factories and finished goods to the market. Now, location of market. Location of industry is substantially affected by the location of market as well as by the amount of demand. Industries producing very heavy articles and those producing perishable goods. What are perishable goods? Perishable goods are those likely to spoil or decay or become unsafe to consume if it is not kept refrigerated, like dairy products, fish, meat, and so on. Clear? Perishable goods are set up near the market so that the cost of transport is reduced and the articles reach the market in time for supply to consumer before perishing. Next factor is policy of the government. It plays an important role in determining the location of the industry. To encourage industries in backward areas, government provides many facilities such as availability of electricity on low cost, cheap transportation, and loans at reduced interest rates. Now, one case study is of Samsung. Let's take Samsung is specialized in the production of a wide variety of consumer industrial electronics like appliances, semiconductors, digital media services, memory chips, and integration system. If you see this thing, it is situated in the Siwon in South Korea. Why it is situated there? Because their raw material is available, power is full power is there, no electricity cut is there, skilled labors are there in this area, proper transportation is there, market is there, and this side. If you see, many technological products essential for making the Samsung goods are made around the factory, so transportation cost is reduced. Siwon is highly developed part of South Korea and Samsung has put up its own power plant to fulfill the immense need of its factory. There are many high skilled workers in the area. Siwon has many railway and road links to all parts of the country. So, transport is available. Market. Suwon is located around many large local and foreign markets. Siwon is a large and empty area, so large a space that Samsung has made its own business park here. The Samsung Digital City. Basically, it is also called the Samsung Digital City. I hope you all are ignited by my wonderful knowledge that I share with you. In the end, I would like to say the Industrial Revolution was another of those extraordinary jump forward in the story of civilization. Thank you.